Both of my favorite cockatiels are outside for their first time. I cleaned this cage very good.
It started to feel interesting.
This is Depps' normal cage.
Oh, there's a big one. Oh, there's a big one.
And let's see how they do when I give them some ranch Doritos.
Depps is a cute. Depps, okay.
Sarge? It's okay. Come on. I'm just going to put them down right there. He'll go down there later. Depps, do you want a now, Mama? Depps. Do you want a now? Okay, looks like he's rich, so I'll just put that in his food dish. My kitten's all the way up in that tree. If you can see her. Hi. Oh, this is Sarge's outside cage. His normal cage is way more bigger.
Oh.
I got some ranch Doritos, a plate. Just a tiny plate. And yeah.
Let's say bye. Boy, see boy. See boy.
Yep.
Oh.
We both say bye. Bye.